Okay, I'm making this video because some people are having some problems doing some solder work. I have multiple soldering irons. I'm using this one today specifically because if you can look at the tip, it's all corroded. This is a layer of carbon that gets deposited on the tip of the soldering iron. This is probably the worst one I have. It's not conditioned right now. So it should be really shiny at the tip, and if you're not seeing that, then you've got carbon buildup. With carbon on the tip, you'll notice that solder doesn't move freely. It's not melting it, and it's not letting it adhere to anything. It makes soldering very difficult. The first thing you can do is try and either clean it off with on the sponge. Notice this one's still, I didn't think that would work on this one because it's so corroded. Also, if you have it, you can use the brass shavings, and that's a little bit more aggressive to pull it off. Generally, if it gets this bad, you need to have a soldering tip tinner, so we'll clean it and put a good tip on it. Okay, whoop, there you go. So, and what you'll do is you'll just put it in there, and you want to make sure it gets coated all the way around it, and then that should be a good there. You can see that tip. And then clean off any excess. Yep, there's a little spot right there that'll hit again. There we go. That's good. Alright, clean that off. Now you get a good shiny tip, and it should be ready to go. Now, before, matter of fact, I don't think I did this in the video. Well, here. Now you can see the solder just come right off, and you build up a good layer. So, let me clean that again, or over here, and you should be ready to go.